how to log into another Facebook account. Hello everyone, welcome back to another simple tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log into a different Facebook account on your phone or computer. Whether you want to switch accounts temporarily or manage multiple profiles, we will show you the easiest way to do it. So you can head over to Facebook or your PC, and once you are logged in, you may look out for your three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you may just scroll through the given options and look out for the option of log out and tap on it. And after logging out, you should be able to see the login page, the Facebook login page. So there you can enter up the email or the mobile phone number that you used in order to create your account or any other account that you want to access. Just go ahead and enter it up here. And that way you can just go ahead and log in into another account that you are switching into. Or what you can do is you can use a different browser on your device to log in into another account without logging out from your main account. And that is it for today's quick guide. By following up these steps, you can easily log in into another Facebook account anytime. So if this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tech and tips.